Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone is lagging in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn off background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, tap background app refresh. Again, background app, select off. Solution number 2. Turn on reduce motion. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap motion. Turn on reduce motion. Solution number 3. Reset all setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap general. On the general page, scroll down. Tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset all setting. Again reset all setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Check iPhone storage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap general. On the general page, tap iPhone storage. Manage your iPhone storage. Delete unused app. Thanks for watching this video.